Hello, this is Ty Peterson with SafeBasements, and today we're going to be going through our setup instructions for the LightFoot Foundation Stabilizer. So first thing we're going to do is prep our area. This means that we're going to compact the soil and go ahead and remove any obstructions that we might find in our way. Now on this basement here, we're clearing out some pretty hard soil, but we got it packed down, and now we're going to place the LightFoot on that compacted ground. We're going to make sure that it's in place where we want it, and next we will set up our stabilizer. And we're just going to go ahead and hand tighten this to make sure that everything stays in place. And we're going to go ahead and make sure it's plumb, and that is where we want it. And once we have it there, we're just going to tighten it up a little more, and we will go to step 4, which is preparing for the foam injection. So here we will take our foam and our jake gun, and we will go ahead and pump that into both ports on the LightFoot. And as we do that, we're going to start seeing some foam expansion coming out the sides, as you can see here. Now we do need to let this set for about 15 minutes, but after that 15 minutes is up, we should be able to put a full load onto our LightFoot stabilizer base. Now the LightFoot itself can handle about 10,000 pounds of pressure, a little in excess of that, but that is what we recommend for a maximum. After that 15 minutes has passed, we are going to fully tighten that stabilizer. And now the installation is complete at this point. For this job, we do have a special condition where we're going to be putting some cement finish around. So we want to hide that base. You can leave this exposed. It is great also for crawl space applications. The LightFoot is portable, can get into many places, and unlike pouring a concrete footer, it doesn't need a couple days to set up. It is ready to go, again, 15 minutes from time of install. And for many crews around the country, we have seen this save an entire day's worth of labor, which is a huge cost savings both to you and something that you can pass on to the homeowner. For more information, go to www.safebasementsinc.com/lightfoot. Thank you.